What's up, y'all? It's your boy Trey Swish back at it again with another video, and welcome to the Ether. Today we're going to be talking about something interesting, and I'll give you a little quote real quick by the man Einstein himself. He said that two things in this world are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not really sure about the universe. So let's get into the video right now. It is titled "The Scale of the Universe," brought to us by Aperture.
Powers of 10 are pretty cool. They're actually pretty powerful, if you know what I'm saying.
Powers of 10?
But what is a power of 10? In
Like 10 times 10?
math, a power of 10 is any integer power of the number 10.
Yeah.
Basically, 10 multiplied by itself a certain number of times.
10 cubed!
Any number of times. For example, 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. 10 squared is 100.
Okay.
10 cubed is 1000. You get the idea. The powers of 10 help us compare the relative size of things.
Oh.
Here, n represents any number you want. It's
Okay.
called the order of magnitude.
Yeah.
A positive order of magnitude will make x bigger, while a negative number will make x smaller.
Okay.
The effect of adding one extra zero to the beginning or
Ooh, are we gonna get into the microverse?
end of any number may seem irrelevant. But what happens if we take these numbers to the extremes?
Alright.
What might these numbers represent?
I feel like this is a video I might need to go pop
Believe it
Pop
or
some
not,
shrooms
the powers
on.
of 10 actually put our universe into perspective quite nicely.
Okay.
Let's start with the really small powers of 10.
Oh, here we go.
At 10 to the negative 35 meters,
Holy
it's
shit,
only
that's
what
small.
is known as the Planck length.
The
Planck
what?
length is the smallest measurable distance in the entire universe.
Is this smaller than atoms? Goddamn.
Much like at the center of a black
That's, oh yeah, I was about to say,
hole,
that's a
at
black
a
hole.
scale this tiny, the laws of physics break down and cease to be valid.
Oh boy.
The amount of time it takes a photon of light to travel one Planck length is known as the Planck time, and is equal to 10 to the negative 43 seconds.
What?
Meaning that this is the shortest measurable time possible. Any time shorter than
So when I'm like editing and I'm like zooming in all the way, it's like that for the universe. You know, that one little where you press over on the keyboard and it just goes to a whole nother frame. This is the universe's editing software.
this physically has no meaning at all.
Okay.
This is why, at the moment, scientists can only say that the universe came into being after it was already 10 to the negative 43 seconds old. Getting larger,
They can say
at
that?
10 to the
Wow,
negative
okay.
18 meters, we reach quarks. These are the subatomic particles that compose protons and neutrons. 10
Okay,
to the
I know
negative
about
7
that.
meters, we reach the smallest forms of life.
There we go.
Single-celled organisms.
Hell yeah.
At 1/10 of a meter, you'll find things that you can see, like eggs, birds, and toilet paper.
Oh,
At 1
okay.
meter, we have everyday life, humans, dogs. Blue whales come in at a solid 30 meters.
Okay.
Next, we come across the meaning of
Big
life,
boys.
or 42, whatever you decide it is. At
What?
270 meters, we reach the length of the Titanic. Triple that, and we get the population of Vatican City,
Oh
the
shit.
smallest country in the world. It's kind of
Wow.
funny because Central Park in New York City is actually 4 kilometers long, and is 8 times larger than Vatican City, which is an entire country. Clocking in
Shit.
at 11,000 meters is Phobos, Mars' largest moon.
Phobos?
Fun fact, one day
What-
it's going
what?
to crash into Mars, so if we're going to colonize it, we should probably find a way to deal with it.
Oh shit. Elon, you better have a rocket, a big rocket. We gotta blow this bitch up.
With an order of
Armageddon
magnitude
shit.
of 5, we have Hydra, one of Pluto's moons.
Wait. Marvel?
Even though
Hydra?
it's a moon, it's only 100 kilometers across. The state of West Virginia in the United States is actually 4 times as large.
Wow.
There's also about 10 to the 5 hairs on the average human head. At 2,300
Huh?
kilometers in diameter, we have everyone's favorite planet, Pluto. Oh, wait. Anyway, moving on.
Bro, I found this out the other day. There's actually more than 9 planets in our solar system, but they're like small. They're very small, so they don't qualify. But there's a lot more. Look it up. I was like, what? I've been lied to my whole life. And it's not just like planets outside of a Pluto. It's like in between Mars and all these fucking planets. Crazy.
Order of magnitude of 7, we have Earth. At 12,700 kilometers, at a
Hell
diameter
yeah,
of
baby.
200,000 kilometers, we have Proxima Centauri, the closest
Whoa.
star to our sun. It's also home to Proxima B,
Closest
an
star to our
exoplanet with
sun.
features much like Earth. If there were to be a manned mission to any other star system's planets, Proxima B would probably be the first choice.
Proxima Beam.
With an order of magnitude of 9, the sun clocks in at about 1.4 million kilometers wide. It accounts for more than 99.8% of the mass in our solar system.
Damn.
At 10 powers
I
of
did
10,
not know
we come
that.
across the orbits of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. ranging from 36 billion kilometers from the sun all the way to 93 million kilometers.
Oh shit.
Although these orbits seem pretty big, they're dwarfed by one of the most luminous stars in the sky,
What?
the Pistol Star. At 470 million kilometers wide,
Dude,
it
that's
radiates
cool.
as much energy in 20 seconds as our sun does in one whole year.
Damn, that shit must be
The
cooking.
Pistol Star is nothing when compared to the largest star ever discovered,
Okay.
UY Scuddy. It is over
What?
2 billion kilometers wide.
Beam me down,
And if it
Scotty.
were to replace our sun, it would completely swallow the planets of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn.
Damn.
At 26 billion kilometers, we reach what is known as a light day. It is exactly how far light travels in 24 hours.
Okay.
This distance
That
is
makes
currently
sense.
farther than any human or space probe has ever traveled. At 10 to the
Wow.
14 meters away from Earth, our solar system appears
How many light days are in our universe? I wonder.
only as a small point of light in the sky, just like every other star that we see in the night sky. 10 to the 15 meters, we have the Cat's Eye Nebula, one of the most complex
what?
nebulae ever discovered. The
Alright.
entire nebula is nearly half a light year in diameter.
That shit looked like a fucking cell to me.
At 2 light years away from Earth, we reach the Oort cloud, a region of space filled with water and methane ice.
They have clouds
At
in
this far
space?
distance, the sun's gravity no longer has an effect on objects past this point.
What?
Other stars are stronger.
Alright.
10 to 17 meters, we have a familiar sight.
Bro, how long is this video? We're not even halfway through the video. Oh, shit.
The Pillars of Creation.
What? What's fucking Genesis or
Each pillar
something?
is over 5 light years long. That's
Dude,
about
this is some Guardians and Galaxy shit. What the fuck?
48 trillion kilometers each. Everyone has seen these before. However, they won't last forever. They're actually already gone.
Bro, I feel like I'm in fucking Doctor Strange right now. You want to hit him out of his body, and he went and saw that whole. Bro, what the fuck? This video is
The
crazy.
Pillars of Creation are located at about 7,000 light years from Earth.
It looks like a hand, almost like a. I don't know.
About 6,000 years ago, they were destroyed by a nearby supernova, meaning
Damn!
that in 1,000 years, they'll
I'm never
fade
gonna
away from our view and
Damn, I'm never gonna be able to visit. That sucks.
disappear into the darkness of space. Skipping forward to 10 to the
Rip.
21 meters away from Earth, we can finally see the Milky Way galaxy in its entirety. Every star in the night sky that you can see lies within our galaxy.
Bro. Earth. Let's put the tinfoil hat on. Flat Earth theory. How'd they get this footage, bro? How'd they get this footage, man? The
However,
fuck?
at 10 to the 22 meters, we reach the distance to our nearest neighboring
Hold up. These stars big as shit in the background. God damn. If the Milky Way that big, what is this?
galaxy, Andromeda. You can actually see
Oh,
Andromeda
okay.
in the night sky with a simple pair of binoculars or normal telescope.
What?
10 to the 23 meters, we reach what is known as the local group. Its name pretty much tells you what it is. It's the local group of
Local
galaxies that are near the Milky Way.
I knew
actually
that.
The second
Yeah,
largest, just
yeah.
behind Andromeda. The
Damn.
local group is a part of the Virgo cluster.
Okay,
a group
okay, of
galaxies
course it
just
is.
like the local group, except much larger. The Virgo cluster contains about 1,500 galaxies and is over 15 million light years long.
Alright.
At 10 to the 24
things.
meters away from Earth, we come across the anomaly known as the Great Attractor. See, objects
This is some fucking Guardians of the Galaxy shit. It's some Halo
with a
shit,
lot
bro.
of mass have a stronger gravitational pull. That's why planets have moons and you don't. They're a lot more massive than you are. However, the Great Attractor is a bit different.
Okay.
It's pulling clusters of galaxies towards it, but we can't observe or see
What?
what it is. It's an object with a mass tens of thousands of times larger than the Milky Way's, but we don't even know what it is.
So is it just one great attractor, or is there multiple? Because I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, this seems like a black hole effect, but for everything.
At 10 billion light years from Earth, we come across the largest known object in the universe.
The
Hercules
universe?
Corona Borealis Great Wall.
I know where Trump got his inspiration from.
It's a bit of a mouthful, but rightfully so. Why? Because it physically should not.
We have SpaceX. SpaceX is gonna go find a wall. We're gonna get inspiration for the wall. I know. This doesn't
Exist.
sound like him at all. I
It is
can't do his
10
accent.
billion light years long, 7 billion light years wide, and nearly 1 billion light years deep.
God
This
damn.
means that light would take 10 billion years to cross the entire wall only once. To put it into perspective, the universe is only 13.8 billion years old. In the time that Earth has been a planet, about 4.5 billion years, the light that has left the one end of the Great Wall hasn't even made it halfway to the other side yet.
What the
The
fuck,
structure is so big, it breaks laws of physics.
bro? This is crazy. I'm like, wanting to write a sci-fi book. I've been dabbling with it for like a year now. I don't have much time to like actually like make real progress on it, right? But like I've always wanted humans to like explore like to the edges of the universe, and this video is making me feel hopeless. Like in my head I'm like, if you had like every single, like, if quote unquote say there's aliens and there's a bunch of them, and you had them all like together on a team and they all spread out and try to explore the vast of the universe, I just feel like it's still impossible.
There's something in the world of science known as the cosmological principle. To put it simply, it says, no matter where you are in the universe, if you look in any direction, you should see an even distribution of matter.
That makes sense.
This, in turn, creates
like Thanos, right? Balance.
A limit for the sizes of objects. It's about 1.2 billion light years, meaning that this structure is 8 times the supposed limit of the largest object possible.
What the fuck?
And at 10 to the 27 meters away from Earth, we reach the outer limits of the observable universe. This is as far as we can go, and most likely will ever be able to.
This is like the Watchers from Marvel. This is their hub.
Our journey ends.
Damn.
Just 27 steps.
Still got quite a bit on this video, though.
We were back at Earth, back at life as we know it.
Yep. Little small folk.
The most amazing thing to me is that we traveled to the outer limits of our universe as we know it, reaching the largest structures known in the entire universe. And it only took us 27 steps.
That is crazy.
27 orders of magnitude.
I just got chills.
But in order to travel to the tiniest limits known to man, at the Planck length, we have to take 35 steps backwards.
Bro, what the fuck?
From the human level. This
More
means
chills.
that we are 8 orders of magnitude, or about 100 million times larger compared to the smallest thing there is, than the universe is compared to us.
Bro, what the fuck?
And that, I find, is the most interesting thing of them all.
Dude.
This video was made possible by Brilliant.org.
I'm
Whether you're a novice
chilling.
or a PhD student, Brilliant has tons of online courses that can help
Goose
even the
bumping.
smartest of people learn new and challenging ideas. Brilliant lets you
Yeah, I've heard of
learn at your
Brilliant
own speed,
before.
so you don't have to work at a snail's pace. The best thing is they get right to the point, so you don't waste
Bro, that
any of
is
your time.
crazy, bro. This is some shit out of a fucking sci-fi movie. This is wild. Wow. Wow. Yeah, if you like this video, go give it a like. I loved it so much. I already gave it a like. Dude, Aperture, what the fuck? What a banger. I've seen this video a long time ago. I think it was like 3 years ago. This video came out 6 years. It popped up on my... Bro, this is wild. Amazing video. Yeah. Every time I try to get in the perspective of writing for that book series that I'm trying to do, well, just the first book, honestly. I can always come back to this. I haven't watched it in a while though, so maybe I'll start writing again. Hopefully, you know, let's hopefully the creative juices keep flowing. But this is the video. I'll see you in the next video. Adios, amigo. I hope you have a good day, and make sure you don't step on a Planck link.